Hi, I'm here with Felix. Felix, it's lovely to speak with you today. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Felix Solamo. I'm a Senior Global Director, Field Application Scientist.
So could you tell us more about Purolite's recently announced US resin manufacturing site in Lamberg?
I think this is a great opportunity for us to service our customers. So having this facility in Landenberg will ensure that we have security of supply. One of the things that we've learned through the pandemic is that sometimes there are some challenges associated with delivering our products. And with this case, having a facility not only in Wales, but also in Landenberg, again, will ensure that we have security of supply to our customers that uses our products to make human therapeutics.
So talking of resin, Purolite recently launched its novel jetted A50 high pH resin into the market. Could you tell me a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So jetted A50 high pH is the first in class, only in class resin that addresses the need for monoclonal antibodies or bispecifics that are sensitive to pH. So what it is that using the high pH, you are able to elute your product of interest up to pH 5. Unlike the traditional proteinated resin where you elute at a lower pH, this really prevents any aggregation to occur during the process. And so what this does is increases your productivity, increases your yield, and essentially minimizes the product loss that you have.
So less wastage.
Yes.
Perfect. So we understand that Ecolab and Purolite investing in global technical support through its field application scientists. Is that right?
Absolutely. So this is really an amazing thing that Ecolab is investing in this business unit. So one of it is really my team, the field applications team. Now we have global presence. As of a year and a half ago, this team did not exist.
Okay.
So now we have capabilities to support customers in Asia, Europe, and North America. These subject matter experts have industrial experience as well as insights on what the pain points our customers are facing. So in a way, we are here to ensure that our customer success is our success. So one of the things that we do is help them develop their process from bench scale up, and eventually, hopefully, to a manufacturing scale. So the capabilities that we have is to assist them, for example, in packing a large-scale column. So we have that capability in-house, again, to ensure that it works at large scale.
Felix, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much.